Welcome to the most powerful love spell you have ever done. The things you are going to need is first crystal or stone, amethyst. We use amethyst for dream work. It is used to enhance dream, recall and memory, promoting lucid dreaming and deeper spiritual exploration during sleep. Also, we are going to use rose quartz. Rose quartz is considered a powerful crystal for matters of heart, helping to attract love, deepening existing relationships, and heal emotional wounds. And one of the most powerful plants for dreaming, mugwort. So mugwort is believed to enhance lucid dreaming and strengthen psychic abilities. We're also going to use lavender. Lavender is here for love and attraction, and it's often used in spells, rituals to attract love and positive relationships. Chamomile is associated with calmness, peace, and good luck. Rose petals. Rose petals hold very significant meaning in love spells and rituals, and they are particularly associated with love, passion, beauty, but their meaning can vary depending on the color of rose, so make it pink or red. We're also going to need one pink or red candle, preferably pink, one piece of paper for name, one pen, and a cord to bind the paper with the candle. As you can see, this spell really should work because all of its ingredients has their power. Mugwort and amethyst are the most powerful one here because they're causing lucid dreaming and being dream obsessed. First, we're going to prepare our candle, and we will write their name on the piece of paper. Let it be with pink or red color, and then we're going to take the paper, wrap it around the candle, and attach it with a cord. Now, when the candle is ready, we can start by preparing the space. Use a plate, and you are going to put your ingredients in there. First, we will put the mugwort, and then we will create the space for the candle. This is crucial. Okay, now at the center of it, make a space for the candle. Take some wax from other candle and put it at the middle, just like that. Now we are adding chamomile, we are adding Okay, this is going to be very, very powerful. Put your amethyst here and put your rose quartz here, and the magic can begin. Light up the candle with intention. Think of him as you're lighting up the candle. Remember, you will influence his thoughts with this magic subconsciously, because this is a subconscious connection spell and spiritual seduction spell. We will make him dream of you and become obsessed with you. With this spell, you can also manifest relationship, or if you want him to contact you, he will not see anyone else beside you. He won't stop thinking about you. He will miss you. He will call you. Just do this ritual properly, step by step, with these ingredients. Let the candle burn till the end. Make sure you check my other videos on this channel, as I post every day new spells, new rituals, and new educational material. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. Blessed be.